Hey guys, it's Reinhard from PECUNIO. Today I want to cover a question which has been raised a couple of times during the past few days. And the question is it a good time now to invest in ICOs? So my answer is yes, but it depends, of course, on which investment we're talking about. So basically, as you know, Ethereum is trading around 500 US dollar, which is quite low compared with the last couple of weeks. However, let's keep in mind that investment in an ICO or a token purchase is basically not a purchase of a cryptocurrency, but essentially you buy into a company, whether it's a kind of a utility token or a part of the company you purchase into. So keeping that in mind, it's heavily dependent on the quality of the blockchain company. So as you know, there are more than 2,000 ICOs on the market, concurrently competing for investors and purchases. So what you're going to look for is, first of all, do they have a good team? The people who run the ICO or the company, are they experienced? And you should look not only for experience in blockchain world, but much more important, look for the history. Because it tells you a lot of how people think and how people deal with difficult situations, and also how they are able to capture market opportunities. Secondly, ask about the business model. Is it a business model which is promising? Is it a model which is there is some protections against copycats, or is it the number 355 on the market? So these are very important questions to be asked. And finally, what is more and more important, do they have a viable product? Do they have working products? Do they have revenues? Because as I told you several times, I'm quite sure that very soon, and we see it coming, we'll talk about revenues, and not only about nice ideas and white papers, but how these companies are able to deliver on their premises. So keep that in mind, and also have a look on rating agencies like, for example, ICO Bench is a very good source of information. So, for example, our company PECUNIO is rating 4.7 out of 5, and has been rated by 17 independent blockchain experts. So have a look there, see if you can find the ICO where you're interested in buying into, and see how it fares there, right? So, okay, summing up, yes, it's a good time. It's always a good time to invest in good companies. And as we remember, during the downturn of the NASDAQ about 20 years ago, when the internet crashed, the dot-com crashed, still there were a couple of companies able to be very, very successful. And these are giants today. So if you do the right picks and right investments, it's still the market to be. So don't hesitate, and take your pick.